This is the unboxing and review of a Honda S600. I actually had a red one, which I took out the 600cc motorcycle engine and train drive and replaced it with a 1200 Corolla motor and drive train. The chain drive at the back could never be adjusted properly, and the Weber carbies on the motorbox engine couldn't be properly. So let's get started with this unboxing. First off, we have the body itself. Very little flashing, very good quality kit so far. That part. Here we have the engine components. We've got engine components, drum brakes, transmission, etc. We have a hard top, a cover for the soft top, seats, steering wheel, those horrible chain drives, exhaust, the wheels, and more drum brakes. In this one we have the floor pan, nicely detailed. A few ejection bits here, but I think they'll be hidden inside the boot. Looks like, oh, that's the rear behind the seats. Door panels, we'll paint them up and chrome plate the handles, seats, radiator shell. This is the interior of the engine bay, some rear chassis parts, some front suspension parts, battery, drive shaft. Here we have the chrome. We've got the hubs. The centres will probably need to be painted red. Headlights, windscreen wipers, handbrake, grille. That's the correct side of the grille. What's this? Oh, there's parts here. Some of them can be used on the S600 and the S800. Now that's the chrome parts, and then we have the clear parts. there's the soft top. Oh, it's got the the back window already in. That's going to take a bit of masking. Window, the stop lights, tail lights, blinkers, and that must be the window for the hard top. Yeah. We have the rubber tyres. I won't open them up. Decal packs and Honda instructions, which are tri-fold, which open right up to give you, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 pages. So some very detailed instructions there. I've just been through the paint requirements. I'm going to have to, paint's required. I'm going to have to get some paints. Bit of background information on the Honda. I used to love driving it. I'm 6'1" and used to fit in there quite comfortably.